guys, welcome back to the Jacob Squad. And today I'm here with my sister Addie. Today we're going to do a contest with our slimes. And this is not the slime that we made for the slime challenge for 20 or 30 minutes. This is what we made. We made new slime. Because mine didn't really turn out good, so we made my own slime. And I shared with Addie. So,
because I helped her make it. I was like the main part.
And we added all the water, all water. And we added Tide
and glue and these little like snowflakey things.
Yeah, they're pink and they're from a kit.
Okay,
so this is the 3 rounds we're gonna do. First, we're gonna do a instant swirl,
and then a poke
second
contest.
Round poke. Then the last round is a bubble contest. And this is very, very runny.
See?
So it's gonna be hard. So
what are you gonna start with, the Instagram swirl?
Yes.
Yep.
So Maya's gonna do her Instagram swirl first.
Swirl.
I was obsessed with getting it off the table.
I am not.
And what do you call it?
Okay, this is my Instagram swirl.
Hey!
This.
All right, let's see your Instagram swirl.
This is my Instagram swirl.
Okay.
I don't know how to do Instagram
Oh, well, how about Addie does it first and I watch her? I'm gonna stop touching it.
Yes. No way. Okay, so you're just gonna, like this. Cause I'm just gonna use a little piece because I can't pick up the whole thing.
Me either.
We'll watch what she does now.
Okay.
Then you grab it.
If you don't know how to do Instagram swirl, Addie is good at it, so follow her rules.
And then you just like turn it. See, my friend, go check out the video where me and my friend Riley.
That popped up with me.
Oh, that was a horrible one.
Okay.
So
I'm gonna do it. Ready, guys? Here I go. This is so bad.
Okay, ready? Come on!
This is so messy, guys. I can't even do it.
You know what? I'm doing it with the whole thing. No.
No. No.
It just makes it like that.
It makes it like my slime that I made.
Baking soda does. So what? I like big slime. So here's my Instagram swirl. It's melting.
There's my Instagram swirl. Comment below.
Comment down below who won.
Yep, is it my Instagram swirl or is Addie's Instagram swirl?
Next contest is the poke contest.
Okay, here we go. Did I get a point on that round?
No, I haven't even done mine yet. And they get to comment down below who won. Wait. Okay, Maya, stop.
Mine is louder.
Comment down below who won that round. If Addie won that round or Maya won that round.
Now it's the bubble contest. And we get 3 rounds for this.
So Maya gets to do round 1 through 3 first. Oh, good.
It's bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, guys. If you
And it
couldn't
popped.
see that.
That's round 1. She made a bubble.
That, I get 2 more bubbles. And I think I'm going to get all bubbles.
How do you know?
Guys, I'm good at making bubbles.
And then at the end, you guys come down below who won the whole round.
Yeah.
All the rounds, not the whole round.
Yeah. Okay, and here's my second bubble.
her second bottle. She made a bubble. Round 2, she made a bubble.
2. I made 2 bubbles, and the ones that make 3 bubbles wins, because they win a prize.
Don't make a bubble. Comment down below if you want it. If you want to see.
Comment down below if I think that you think that I'm gonna make a bubble. Here I go. Wait, that doesn't count.
Ooh.
I made a bubble!
Ooh, that
And
was
it's
huge.
so big.
Nice.
Okay, my turn.
I made 3 rounds, so I think I won that round.
How do you know?
Because I'm good at making bubbles, I already said. Oh, that popped really quick. Comment down below if you saw that, because it popped really quick.
Rewind
I
the
like to
video.
make bubbles.
You ready?
Ah, I popped the bubble.
I made a bubble!
Woohoo! You got 1 round to fail. It popped really quick.
Shiny.
No, that was my practice
I
round.
have to say shaking the phone. Ah! Chip on.
That first round was my practice round.
There's number 1.
No,
That
that's
was number 2. Ready?
Okay. Oh, that's as big as mine. Try to pop it.
Okay.
Bye,
So guys, comment down below who won, and please like
subscribe
and share.
and ring that bell. Bye.